All right, I got a little special thing for y'all. I got to shout out Greg Burns and his family from Nature's Image Farm. Not only for just helping me out doing this and let me pick up my things that I got, which I will show you. We'll also show you how to kind of install them here in a little bit. But right now, I've got to check on my other animals. Wheat that I'm growing here, it is looking good. If y'all remember my TikTok, I posted probably yesterday. If you're not following me there, go follow me there, please. You know, it's Jam's Farm. But we fertilized this, and it hasn't really stood back up yet, but it will. I ain't worried about it. Just need to give it a couple more days. Little man, cookies right there. Worm farms are okay. I just need to get worms in there, like crawlers. Come on, ladies. Back up now. Come on, back up. 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 Come on. Well, part of the rent's paid, and they just covered it up. Okay. Another one over here. No, I gotta get that fixed. 3 in the pocket, 4 in my hand. I got 7 eggs today. That's the surprise. I got bees from Greg Burns at Nature's Image Farm. Now, a lot of people will be concerned about this right over here in this corner. Dead bees, okay? Here's the thing. You're gonna have dead bees. It's a given. It's not. Yeah. But I'm gonna talk you through what I'm gonna do here, and then I'm actually gonna do it, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake the bees down to the bottom. I'm gonna pull this piece of luan off, get the queen cage out, and there's a can of syrup. There's a can of syrup in here. I'm gonna pull that out first. I'm gonna get the queen cage out, pull the cork out on the candy side. Maybe. All depends on how well loose the cork is. Shake them in there. Close the hive up. And what you need, I'm sorry, Greg. I know my yard's kind of a mess, and not everybody can afford the new equipment. But hey, I might get some Endura hives maybe next year. Shaking box, brood box, feeder. Sorry about that too. I have some bucket feeders. They just got used in other projects, and that's where they are. So, all right, let's get it. Have all your stuff ready. That way, when you're going to work bees, you can just go work bees. fan got recessed down into there. That's nice. I'll be right back. I had a little bit of trouble getting the can out. So I got a problem, I got to deal with it. But I'm going to deal with it tomorrow. I'm going to end this video here. They're in the hive, though. They are coming out. Problem is, I didn't put the feeder on. Or the queen court out. But I'll deal with that tomorrow. Right now, see y'all later.